is a question, students. This question says that the simple permanent tissue devoid of the intercellular species and lignin is. Okay, they are asking about the specific property characteristic of one of the following tissue. So the first you need to understand about the simple permanent tissue. What are these? As we know, plant tissues are divided according to their dividing capacity as permanent tissue and the meristematic one. The meristematic one are the actively dividing tissues, while these permanent are the differentiated tissues which may or may not be dividing in nature. Okay, so permanent means here they are the differentiated tissues. Means now they will be knowing their structure. They had a specific structure as well as their specified function is there. When we are talking about simple, that means they are made up of one type of cell. Okay, and when we are talking about the complex one, they will be formed by more than one type of cell. Coming to types, it is of three types according to their function. There are parenchyma, the parenchymatous tissue. Then we have the collenchyma. Don't forget that parenchyma is also further divided according to the modifications according to specified function, and the last one is the sclerenchyma. Parenchyma and collenchyma are living in nature, while sclerenchyma is dead in nature. And when they are asking us about which one of is not having the intercellular spaces, there are intercellular spaces found in the case of parenchyma which are photosynthetic in nature, found in the green mesophyll cells. They are responsible for the synthesis as well as storage of food. So intercellular spaces are there but little. Coming to the other option, collenchyma, the intercellular spaces are absent in collenchyma. Water collenchyma, these are the tissues which are found in the herbaceous plant. They are found in the cortical region of the herbaceous plants, and what they provide, they are responsible for mechanical strength. They are provided there so that they provide flexibility. They are in the flexible parts. Okay, why they are in the flexible parts? To provide the mechanical strength. So due to the wind current, due to the pressure, the flexible structure do not get break from the main plant structure. So these collenchyma, in collenchyma, intercellular spaces are absent. So this is correct. Then they are saying and lignin is there. So that is wrong. So why we are saying they are saying that devoid of intercellular spaces and lignin. So they are saying that lignin is absent there, and this is correct, that lignin will not be there because they have a lining of cellulose as well as pectin. These lignin 5 tissues are the sclerenchyma tissues. They consist of this lignin, and due to the presence of this lignin only, they are dead in nature. This lignin does not allow them to transport the material and they are dead in nature. So here the correct answer will be collenchyma. That is, collenchyma will not be having spaces. Sclerenchyma will also not have these spaces, but this lignin is found in the case of sclerenchyma, not in the case of the collenchyma. So the answer of the question is option number 2, collenchyma, the tissue type of simple permanent tissue found in the which parts? The flexible parts of the herbaceous plants where it provides mechanical strength. Here is a question with us. This question is asking us sieve tube and companion cells occurs in. They form the component of which of the following type of tissue? So we know there are vascular bundles. I'm starting from there only. Then we come to the conclusion, come to the answer. So vascular bundles, we have xylem and phloem. And talking about this phloem, this is responsible for food transport, while xylem is responsible for water as well as mineral transport. And these vascular bundles are the type of complex permanent tissue, as they are made up of more than one type of cells. So many type of cells form these vascular bundles. They are responsible for transportation. The component of phloem is sieve tubes, companion cell, then phloem, parenchyma, And the last one is phloem fiber. The major component which are responsible for transportation are sieve tubes. A mature sieve tube lacks a nucleus, but they are still living because the nucleus of the companion cell will be helping the sieve tubes to control their activities. So sieve tube and companion cell, as you can see, are the components of the transporting system that is phloem, which are the type of vascular bundles, which are the type of complex permanent tissue. So from this flowchart you can get many questions answered. So the answer of the question will be option number 4th, phloem.